Hello guys, I will liken Peter Obi and the rest of the presidential candidates to the story of David and Goliath. The young and small shepherd David takes up the challenge to fight the giant Goliath. At the end, David defeated Goliath with a divine idea of slinging one of his stones at Goliath's forehead, and Goliath fell. David encountered God to win Goliath. In the same vein, I believe Peter Obi has won God's heart already. His ideas are germane and inspiring. An issue-based politician whose raw material for politics is ideas. So whether you believe it or not, whether the mainstream media projects him or not, whether Nollywood actors endorse him or not, Peter Obi has gained the trust of Nigerians without inducing them like other candidates. He has preached the need for true change, and the Nigerian youths have bought into it. Peter Obi is about to be the next president of Nigeria. It happened in France, where Macron, a youthful former investment banker, won the two dominant political parties. How did he do it? He formed his own movement, and today the rest is history. Such movement is fast gathering momentum in Nigeria, and I see a similar outcome playing out. Nobody should stand on their way. So guys, go out there and get your PVC, come out and vote for competence, protect your votes, and your votes will count this time around. God bless Federal Republic of Nigeria.
The Boardroom. Power your idea.